Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful designs of crochet hand bracelets, and these bracelets and pendants are really trending in nowadays, and these are very reasonable and cost effective, like very economical. You can even start your own business by doing these things at your home. So yeah, if you are doing to planning something good for yourself and for your business and your sales are not good in crochet business, I would definitely recommend you guys to introduce these little types of accessories in your business because they are very handy and people love to buy it. So don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos and latest updates about the crochet ideas and patterns and how you can earn money online. So these patterns are in different color and you can pair it with any dress, casuals or formal, and your hand will look so stylish. And the plus advantage is that you can even design it any color according to your dress and match with your dress. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends and let me know your favorite crochet design from this video. Thank you.